Klarice and Belle at Georgia Carpet. We want to talk to you about COREtec's flagship luxury vinyl product called COREtec Grande. Make sure to stay to the end so you can get a friendly installation tip. But before we get into the details, let me tell you who this product is for. If you're looking to replace your existing hardwood floor or carpet with a luxury vinyl product, or you're searching for a durable, high-quality floor that closely resembles a solid hardwood in thickness, length, and appearance, then Grande is for you. Grande is COREtec's biggest and thickest WPC plank on the market. It is 9 inches wide with multiple lengths up to 82 inches and has an overall thickness of 15 millimeters, over half an inch. To give you an idea of scale, here is a standard 48-inch LVP plank, a standard 60-inch plank, and the 82 inches of COREtec Grande. You can clearly see this favors a solid hardwood plank more than the other two here. Now let's take a look at the thickness of the standard LVP plank, which is typically 6.5 millimeters thick, or about 1/4 inch. Okay, now let's compare a 3/4 inch hardwood plank with the Grande. As you can see, Grande is nearly as thick as hardwood, so you can easily replace your hardwood floors with this LVP product. Additionally, the entire Grande collection features a 30 mil wear layer, and each plank is 100% waterproof, kid-proof, and pet-proof, and it comes in a variety of colors that look and feel like real hardwood. Now, for the friendly installation tip, keep in mind that the long boards are heavy because they're thick, and because they are so long, it's hard to get the pieces to click together. It's recommended that you have 2 people to install it. Also, your subfloor needs to be pretty leveled before installation. For more information on COREtec Grande or to order samples, visit us at georgiacarpet.com.
I'm in the game, I was on the bench.